If you enjoy pendulum squats and you're wondering why do some machines feel different to others, well, this video might be useful for you because I'm going to talk through two really important features when it comes to pendulum squat machines. Firstly, the counterweight. We'll take a look at this Paramount pendulum squat machine first. I was using this out at Camperdown Fitness with my good mate Marty Fortune, and we were just playing around with different loading options, different counterweight loading options, and really enjoyed the piece actually. It's a really nice one. Now, something interesting that not all pendulum squat machines offer is this front loading horn. And you might be wondering, what the hell is this front loading horn for? Well, if you look at it for a little while, you can actually see it's actually providing a really valuable function, which I'm going to talk you through now. See here at the top of the range, that weight plate is actually quite close to the axis of rotation on the machine, and that is where we're at our strongest point in the exercise. Now, as we go through the range, you can see here, if you look at that plate, it actually moves further away from that axis of rotation on the machine. What this does is, as that gets further from the axis, it provides more weight, more load to counter our weight, where we're at the bottom of that pendulum squat, where we're at our weakest point. This creates a way nicer resistance profile in the exercise. As we get down towards the bottom of the squat, resistance drops off a little bit, and then as we go back up towards the top, resistance increases again. So it's essentially matching our ability to produce torque throughout the range of motion, which is really cool. Now, you want to play around with this and figure out how much assistance you actually want in the exercise. And you can do that. You can simply add a plate, remove a plate. You may actually decide to put a little bit more weight on that as you get more fatigued to give you slightly more assistance to get out of the bottom part of that squat. Now, many other machines actually provide this counterweight option where you can modify how much weight you put on the counterweight. Some offer their own inbuilt counterweight, so you can't actually modify that, which is not really ideal. And then others actually offer no counterweight at all, which for someone who has knee problems, or even anyone really, that one's just not going to feel as nice as the ones that actually offer a counterweight. If you've got patellofemoral joint issues, grinding of cartilage, etc., then those ones that don't offer a counterweight, they might not be ideal for you. As a really quick aside here, pendulum squats are a knee muscle exercise, as they move on a path like this, which will put the user into a fair amount of knee flexion. Now, for some people, this might rule out the exercise altogether. However, they are more likely to be able to enjoy the ones that do have the counterweights on them. It might take some of those compressive forces off the patellofemoral joint as they go down through the bottom of the range. The next really important thing is the loading options. Key point with all this is the further that weight plate is from the axis and the user on the machine, the greater the inertial effects are going to be in the exercise. And what that means is the starts and the stops as you go through the range, they're going to feel more abrupt and they're going to require a lot more focus and control to slow that weight down and to speed it up again. The ones like this, they're generally less enjoyable for the user. And also, once again, people with patellofemoral joint problems, they may not enjoy those ones that have those higher inertial effects with the plate loading further from the axis and the user. I haven't actually noticed many brands putting loading options closer to the user and the axis. If you've come across one, let me know in the comments. I'd be keen to check it out. Maybe one of the manufacturers is watching this video and on their next pendulum squat, they'll do that. But otherwise, yeah, let me know if you've come across one that does have loading options that are a little bit closer. Outside of these 2 points, it's nice to have some adjustability on the foot plates of these machines to cater to different users. And some other adjustability factors inside the machine would be cool, but we'll touch on those on another video. If you've got any comments or questions or other pendulum squat machines you really like, let me know about them in the comments. And otherwise, I'll see you back here really soon.